In this experiment, we will have to see the Lissajous pattern using digital storage oscilloscope. For selecting the Lissajous pattern, we have to do one specific adjustment in the CRO, that is the selection of CRO in XY mode. Any DSO has one function, that is display button. So after pressing display button, here there is one more function that is called format. So we have to select, apart from Y of t, we should select XY pattern. So by selecting XY mode, here you can see XY mode, the CRO functions in the Lissajous pattern mode. So here we have applied both the signals which are equals to each other in terms of frequency and amplitude. That's why we are getting oval shape on the oval Lissajous pattern on the CRO. Now I am going to change the frequency of second function generator double than the first function generator. So we'll have to observe the shape of Lissajous pattern. So here you can see the two loops are touching on the x-axis. At the same time, only one loop is touching on the y-axis. So which means that the frequency of one function generator which is associated with the x-axis has double frequency than the first one. So we'll go for the third shape, that is third times greater than the first CRO. So now you can see DSO has one function that we can stop the signal. So here you can see three loops, loop 1, loop 2 and loop 3 are touching on x-axis, whereas only single loop is touching on the y-axis, which means that frequency associated with x-axis is 3 times greater than the frequency associated with the y-axis. So we'll go for 4 times greater than the first frequency. You can see that first loop, second, third and fourth. 4 loops come versus only single loop. So here the frequency provided by the second function generator is 4 times greater than the first function generator. So by using this method, we can see the Lissajous pattern on the DSO.